In this week, I'll teach you how to level up your oral expression when using Noji and also Google Translate. So I've got here in my screen Noji, and with my smartphone or iPhone, I've got Google Translate. So in this case, what I'm going to do is that I will be enunciating the translation in my Google Translate. Once I get the phrase down, and I'll copy it and I'll paste it in the field right here underneath in this section. So this will allow you to improve your oral expression if you don't know how to speak to people or you don't have a partner. This is ideal for you to try it out. So I'll try with 5 different flashcards so you can see the way that I go about it. So let's go with the first one. I'll speak in Catalan, so let's give it a shot. El nombre de contractes indefinits i discontinus ha evolucionat de manera positiva en guany. Okay, so in here, I've got the enunciation, I've got the what I spoke, and I'm going to copy it, and I'll paste it in the field in here. So this is what you can do. I can make the corrections, and I'll go in here. I'll correct section in here. I'll put this here. I'll make the corrections in here, and I'll put send, and that's pretty much is very similar. I think it's I got the basics down, and let's give it a shot with another phrase. So I'll put yeah, I'll give it a difícil or hard in here. Okay, so let's try with this one. O si era conscient del racisme que envoltava aquella historia. So again, I've got the tracks in here. I'll copy it. I'll paste it in the field, and I'll make the corrections. I'll just make a few adjustments in here. I'll put a double L in here. And as you can see, the only thing that I may have missed out is the accentration in here. This is something that I can put myself in here as a reminder that if I see this phrase, I need to emphasize on the accent in here in the O. So let's try again with another one. This will be number 3 out of 5 examples. So again, I'm going to use the voice option. De moment, no hi ha cap mena de solució. Okay, I'll paste it, copy, and paste it in the field. De moment, no hi ha cap mena de solució. As you can see, I pretty much got it perfectly. So I'll give it a blue. And number 4 out of 5, I'll go and la mitjan de durada de la durada. La mitjan de durada de la durada ha pujat des de la pandèmia segons els dates acumulats. This might be a little, well, it'll be, I don't think this will go through, but I'll still give it a shot. De la durada, durada, de la durada. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one, but I'll much rather give it a shot. And I'll fix this in here. All this in here. I need an accentration in here. Think so. Segons status. I'll take this 2 letters, and let's see. I wasn't actually that far from it. So yeah, I'll give this one yellow or hard. Last example, just to see how I go about it. Again, I'm going to activate the voice control. És un dels periodistes més coneguts de la cadena. Okay, so I'll copy this, paste it in the field, and okay, this is més coneguts de la cadena. Yeah, I'm pretty confident about this. So, yeah, I saw it. Yeah, pretty much, I got it all identical. So yeah, this is something that you can try on if you don't have somebody to speak with, or you have a set of things that you want to try it out with, like with your voice or practice your pronunciation. This is an ideal way for you to try your oral expression along with Noji. This is also time effective because pretty much if you speak through it, This will allow you to go through the flashcards much faster than just typing it. Of course, you can mix both typing and speaking, but I think this is a good way to have a way to speak without having somebody to talk to. A very good excuse. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have for this week. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, give it a shot. Node, I feel is ideal to have. It's an essential tool to practice languages. So thank you for your time. Bye.